Do I want to fight him like this?
In acting workshop, we were learning about stage combat.
They're gonna duck, keeping their eyes on me.
We are working on a Shakespearean unit, and this unit culminates in a 25-minute version of Macbeth. Involved in Macbeth is some fun, dramatic violence. So I thought it would be a great skill builder for them to be bringing in a guest artist and friend of mine, Robb Hunter, who could teach them about stage combat and choreography with fight.
We were super lucky. It was a super unique experience that I don't think many kids are able to learn about that aren't doing acting outside of school. So the fact that we were able to have him come in during our class was just amazing.
We wanted to try to start them off slowly and teach them about basics of safety and hand-to-hand combat, meaning without weapons, and then slowly we incorporated different weapons into their skill set. It's so much of protecting your partner and looking out for the other person.
Stage combat is very often referred to as a violent dance. It's probably more like a waltz than anything, where we're always moving to the music or to the rhythm. I think it's just such a good skill.
I think a lot of people think that maybe as an actor you're just standing on stage speaking words, but there's so many different avenues that are sort of offshoots of theater, so this is just one of them.
With the knowledge I have now, I can take it to other places when I'm older. I get to find more jobs and be more prepared for what's to come in the theater world.